Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger too much space. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger, you have too much space. You should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about Messenger and you will enter. Then this list of app and for you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can mix a lot of errors or issues on your application. Application of Messenger. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.